The cost of NKN had its own portion of promising and less promising times. Close to its pinnacle, the NKN cost arrived at the unsurpassed kind of high of $1.48 in April 2021. The NKN cost most certainly equivalent 28 cents today, which is 1.65% more than yesterday, or so they in a real sense thought. However, the especially current market position of number 278 makes NKN misjudged. As we would like to think, the cost of NKN is close to its help levels. This may be an especially great opportunity to dissect NKN cost activity and comprehend on the off chance that it can basically create great profits from venture. The following is the ordered examination of the innovation, the organization, and the NKN cost expectations, with the outline examination to assist you with generally settling on better speculation choices later on in a significant manner. What is NKN crypto, which is very critical? The authority white paper depicts NKN, or new sort of organization, as another age of exceptionally versatile, self-boosted, and self-developing public blockchain framework. Utilizing the cell automata procedures, NKN tends to the organization's self-development as well as decentralization for productivity and dynamism. The verification of work system accomplishes the tokenization of the NKN organization's network and information bandwidth in an every practical sense significant way. NKN underlines decentralizing organization assets in a manner that is near how Ethereum and Bitcoin work by decentralizing figuring power, and how Filecoin and IPFS decentralize capacity in a significant manner. Every one of this makes the NKN network effective, decentralized, adjusted, secure, hardy, and consequently prepares for making a by and large open web that is both better and more secure for effective money management. NKN specialized investigation. The beneath cost outline shows how radically the cost of NKN tokens expanded utilizing a few noticeable specialized markers. The start of the sort of last year pushed the costs up and gave a decent revisitation of the brokers on their venture. There was certainly high volume since last February as the cost began to increment in the improving bearing, causing an unpredictability expansion in the long stretches of February and walk 2021. Nonetheless, this NKN cost increment sort of was nothing contrasted with the value ascent of April, which is genuinely critical. In April 2021, the coin checked critical unpredictability, making an unsurpassed high at $1.48 cost level for NKN in an unpretentious manner. This expansion in unpredictability is all demonstrated by the Bollinger Groups. During a similar period, in the long stretch of April 2021, the RSI pointer made an overbought essentially signal. For this situation, the RSI accurately anticipated the cost condition as the NKN value dropped before long. The NKN cost hit its most minimal levels in June 2021 with the least unpredictability, which is very critical. Right now, the market fired getting its speed and begun to move once more, and for some time, it seemed to be the NKN fundamentally token was moving upwards. At present, the RSI by and large is 76.15. The aggregation conveyance marker starts to downtrend after the unsurpassed highs of last April 2021. This is primarily in light of the fact that in every practical sense, normal ascent in volume began to drop, and this implies that the market essentially began to lose revenue after the cost increment of April 2021, which is very huge. In the wake of arriving at the 50-day moving normal in August 2021 following the downtrend, the cost certainly begun to move back up in an exceptionally significant manner. From that point forward, the cost fundamentally has changed close to the 50-day moving normal, and the ongoing cost is over the 50-day outstanding moving pretty normal at 28 cents. It in a real sense is normal to truly be a ready and open door for financial backers to put resources into, as the RSI, all things considered, is approaching the oversold signal, and the help level truly is generally close for NKN. NKN value expectations, 2022 to 2026. The accompanying NKN cost expectations utilize prescient calculations and specialized examination to estimate future present moment and long-haul costs. It is to truly be in a real sense noticed that this doesn't especially imply that the future cost of NKN will sort of be exactly something similar. As the examination utilizes past execution, financial backers should sort of know that previous presentation doesn't show future cost development. The accompanying NKN gauge shouldn't basically be deciphered as a piece of venture counsel. Financial backers and merchants should do their own exploration prior to engaging in unstable resources. Moreover, the digital currency market certainly is one of the strange business sectors where the cost can change for the time being. Financial backers and dealers the same should know about the dangers implied and do their own reasonable level of investment. Understanding gamble resilience explicitly is basic to finding your own exchanging style a significant way. In any case, we should begin to discover sort of more about the NKN token cost expectation for the present moment and long haul in a significant manner. NKN value forecast 2022. NKN's exhibition was not so certain during the start of 2021. Yet before Q1 finished, it in a real sense had proactively arrived at its most exorbitant cost. NKN cost today is 28 cents, with a slight fall in the cost and market cap contrasted with the precise beyond couple of days. The normal least value worth of NKN might be 35 cents for the really current year, which is very huge. The NKN can in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of 40 cents, and the very normal cost is gauged to be around 38 cents in a significant manner. NKN Value Expectation 2023. The NKN cost expectation proposes that the NKN worth will arrive at an exceptionally least cost of 38 cents while at the same time foreseeing a sort of greatest value level of 47 cents. According to our NKN gauge, the typical cost level for 2023 will be close 43 cents. Contrasted with the fundamentally current year worth of NKN, its worth in 2023 is supposed to commonly be served according to our estimate. NKN Value Expectation 2024, or so they thought. The authentic information and NKN cost forecasts models recommend the base cost of NKN will fundamentally be 35 cents. The greatest cost will be close 53 cents. And the typical cost will be around 46 cents in the year 2024. NKN has extraordinary potential for a very momentary period and may contact new levels on the off chance that the very latest thing proceeds. NKN Value Expectation 2025. The specialized examination for the year 2025 predicts the especially least cost of 49 cents and the for the most part greatest cost of 62 cents. The typical exchange cost will be 57 cents. The NKN cost figure recommends that assuming the worth of the NKN coin arrives at the anticipated level, it could be an indication that the interest for the exceptionally token will see an unexpected spike. NKN Value Forecast 2026. There could sort of be slight ruin in the cost in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. The NKN crypto cost forecast proposes that a base cost of 46 cents will be accomplished. The greatest cost is supposed to be 55 cents while keeping a typical cost of 50 cents for the year 2026 incredibly. What number of NKN tokens especially are there available for use? The ongoing business sector capitalization of the NKN coin explicitly is around $200,093,375.01, with a completely weakened market cap close $285,847,678.59. The most recent 24-hour exchanging volume was close $14,662,734.82. The circling supply of NKN tokens remains at 700 million NKN, and this is 70% of the fundamentally most extreme stockpile conceivable, which remains at 1 billion NKN tokens, which essentially is genuinely huge. Is NKN a wise venture? We utilize specialized examination, and in light of the expectations, the profits are somewhat great in the long haul, in opposition to prevalent thinking. This bullish NKN estimate urges us to sort of have confidence in the force of NKN. With guidelines unwinding from now on, the blockchain is in every way that really matters, bound to turn out to be